I want to give my LLM access to New York State incorporation records. However, this information is not scrapable. Using computer use agents would be way too brittle and unreliable. So I turn to Vectorly's WebHacker open source repository. I will start by running a command that opens a new Chrome browser window and monitors everything I do, including the JavaScript code, looking at the HTML of the page, the session storage, cookies, as well as every network request. After capturing all of the relevant data, I will run the WebHacker agent to reverse engineer this web app. The agent will start by identifying the key API responsible for our task, after which it will resolve all of the cookies, tokens, and previous actions on the browser that need to precede this API call. After the WebHacker finishes running, it returns to us a routine that can now be reliably executed. Here we can see the operations that make up the steps of this routine, as well as the parameters that are inputs to running this routine. To productionize this discovered routine, I will go to Vectorly's developer console, where I will upload and fine-tune the web operations and routine parameters discovered by the agent. Vectorly will then expose my routine via an API or an MCP interface for me and other developer to use.
Hi, I'm Alex. So supposing I'm an AI software developer building a tool that helps our clients automatically find newly incorporated customers for sales leads. I look at the Vectorly console. I browse in public routines, which has reusable web routines that other developers have already built. And I see one here that extracts information from the New York incorporation database. So I can add it to my project and customize it for my own flow. In my case, I want to look up dates that companies were incorporated that my users might care about. So let's say, for example, Melio payments. And now I can directly call this routine as an API or even in an MCP server directly for my AI agent. I can just pass it the company name I want to look up, and the routine will return structured data. With Vectorly, I can give my AI product real structured access to web data with no web scraping, scripts, or brittle browser automation, just clean and reliable web routines.